Yes, sir. We back, we back. One stop drip shop. Unboxing in the Bando. You already know how we coming, man. Let's get into this shit, man. I hope everybody good. I hope y'all get into a bag. You know what I mean? Stop wasting time, bro. Time is money, my nigga. Get to it, man. Play ahead to stay ahead. You know how we rocking at the drip shop, man. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got, man. All right, let's see what we got. Hope it's good. Hope it's good. We don't got no sponsors. We ain't shouting nobody out. Word. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. All right, you stop playing with y'all. Y'all grown, man. I ain't playing with no grown niggas here, man. All right, we got the Michigans on deck, bro. Word. What I'm gonna tell you about a pair of dunks, y'all don't already know, man. You feel what I'm saying? All I'm gonna tell you is dunks is the wave right now. Get you a good color, a good fit. You know what I'm saying? Rock out. These is the wave right now. These the Michigan joints. A little history on these. This is one of the OG colors. You know what I'm saying? They brought back. So you gotta get these. You're gonna see them again in the future. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Calm pair of dunks, bro. This vid ain't gonna be too long. You know what I'm saying? Cause I got another pair to post. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna rate these. Out of my dunks, because I'm not just, the dunks is overall, the sneaker, I give it like an 8, man. I remember when I was a young boy, bro, like when dunks they first dropped these shits, man. Matter of fact, nah, I ain't gonna say they first dropped them. I caught like the other wave back in like the early thousands probably, man. All I know, they wasn't lit though, man. My bros had clowned me for these shits, man. I had a burgundy and white pair, I believe, and these was when J's was lit, man. They had some lit ass J's out, man. I got clowned for my dunks, bro. But I had love them shits, man. You know what I'm saying? That's when the dripper wasn't really getting to a bag. I was a young boy, man. But couldn't take the ridicule. I had to get to some money, man. You feel what I'm saying? I had to get to some money. Then I became the flyest nigga out, you feel me? I always knew what I want, just ain't had the resources. But that's a little backstory on that, man. So I say all that to say this, you feel me? I got a little special love for dunks, man. Cause that first pair I bought with my own money, you feel what I'm saying? My own little bread. So I got a little special place in my heart for dunks. So I damn, they got all the colors in these shits. You know what I mean? That's gonna show you how life turn around, nigga. You feel me? I had to scrape up a little money to get my first pair. It's just probably like $60. You feel me? Now I buy all of the colors at the highest price, nigga. What I pay for these shits? $328, nigga. Mind you, I used to pay $60 for these shits. You feel me? And I just go to show you, if I see a color, I like this shit, I buy it, bro. So stay down. I say all that to stay down. Stay down till you come up, my nigga. That's when I tell you play ahead to stay ahead, bro. You feel me? Don't look at where you at right now, nigga. Focus on where you trying to be, boy. But that's a little game, one-star drip shot. You know what I mean? Let me know in the comments, y'all respecting the game. I probably get y'all a little bit more. Show y'all how to get some money, man. Word. I appreciate y'all tapping in with me, man. One-star drip shop. You know I don't tell niggas subscribe or none of that shit. Y'all gonna do what y'all wanna do, man. But y'all respect the real one. Y'all gonna show support. You know what I mean? Y'all value what a nigga bringing. Y'all gonna support it. So, you know what I mean? On that note, play ahead to stay ahead, man. We out this shit.